Eric Kurt there, the Just a Fry sub is a VIP. Welcome new sub. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. And I'm going to Daiso now because I want to buy a torch. Yeah, torch and the foil. Dutch 76, just a private 38 month. Thank you. I love both of you guys. Let's go and chat. Thank you. Sub is a VIP. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dutchy. And I'm going to the Daiso now. Let's buy foil. And I already have a hammer. Oh, the French. Mercy. Already have it, and I want to buy a torch and butane gas. And I'm 여기도 막혀 있네. Anyways, I'm planning a countryside life for a few weeks, so I need the axe. I need the axe and the e-bike. I need the e-bike too. I'm not buying the e-bike yet. And fortunately, recently not many new coronavirus patients in South Korea. The infection, the spreading is slow now. Captic just a private 36 month. Thank you very much. 3 years anniversary. Thank you. Service VIP. Thank you. Thank you very much. There are like 200 people with corona on ship in Japan. Yes, I heard. I heard that. So now the cruise is it's dangerous now. Don't visit 00, just a prior 10 month. Thank you very much. Service VIP. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Service VIP. And because of the coronavirus, I don't want to go to. I don't want to stay in the very crowded place. So today I will do a kind of the blacksmithing. Yeah, a kind of blacksmithing, and maybe no one there maybe. Anonymous just a private 40 month. Thank you very much. VIP train. Thank you. 40 month. Thank you. Sean Camp's jersey number. Thank you very much. Service VIP. Yeah, I hope the no coronavirus cruise come to Busan City. I hope so. Coco once more, just a 3 months. Thank you. Go train, go. Thank you. Service VIP. Thank you very much. And hey girl, hey, just a 42 months. Thank you very much. Service VIP. Thank you very much. Service VIP. Thank you. 42 months. 42 was a Vin Baker. Yeah, maybe Vin Baker. Vin Baker's jersey number. 이자와. Anyway, so I wanna reduce the contact with people, just less risk. So recently in South Korea, some downtown, not many people. It's not very crowded. Dutch76 just gifted the 5 subscription. Thank you very much. Thanks for the gift sub. Thank you. I have to have lunch first. Thank you very much. Dutch76, welcome 5 people. And the one old man gamer just subscribed 15 months. Thank you very much. Sub is VIP. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for the sub. Tourist information center and the police station. Thank you very much. What do I have to have the lunch? We wasn't at 5. Dutch76 give to the 10 gift sub. Thank you very much. For random people, thank you very much. I was 10. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Welcome 10 people. Anyway, the husband want to come back a few days later. She needs a vacation. So don't worry about it. Just that she's just lazy. Post. I should have lunch first. The blacksmithing need the energy. And oh my god. Oh my god. What? Zero just to give to the 10 subscription. Thank you very much. Thanks for the gift sub. Welcome 10 people. Thank you very much. Zero just. Welcome 10 people. Thank you very much. Sub is a VIP. Thank you very much. Thank you, Zero Just. God. A lot of gift stuff today. Thank you very much. And the pizza platypus just subscribed for 5 months. Thank you very much. Sub is a VIP. Thank you very much. 5 months. Thank you. And more. 계정 봐. One old man gamer gift to the tier 1 sub to the RC2. Thank you very much. Thanks for the gift to sub. Thank you very much. Sub is VIP. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, one old man gamer. And the pizza, platypus was a big cheese 468 just cheered the 500 big. Thanks for cheering. Thank you. Thank you very much. And thanks for cheering. And there was a tier 3 gift sub. I missed that. Cold Wind just cheered the 1,500 bid. Keep up good stream. Let's go. Thank you very much. Thanks for the cheering. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cold Wind, thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for cheering and the gift sub. 50 million bits. And yeah, Hossie will come back a few days later. And yeah, since she's planning something. Not divorce, don't worry. And we don't fight anymore. Actually, I couldn't understand why we fought. I couldn't understand. Anyway, it was just a stupid thing. Anyway, I should have lunch. Frozen fish, potato, just a fry for 8 months. Thank you very much. Thanks for the sub for 8 months. And the curiosity and the just a fry 32 months. Thank you very much. Sub is a VIP. And oh my god. Oh my god, Dutchy gifted the 10 gift sub. Wow. Sub train. Oh my god, sub is a VIP. Thank you very much. A lot of sub today. Thank you very much. Thanks for the gift sub. And the Soul Seek for just a private 2 months. Thank you very much. Soul Seek sub is a VIP. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. And the Mo Genki just a private 30 months. Thank you very much. Sub is a VIP. Thank you very much. Mo Genki, thank you. Thanks for the sub. Thank you, Dutchy and Zero Justin. Thanks for the gift sub a lot. The 불고기. We're having part. 어디 입었어?